everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. I'm going to be making a simple Halloween card today. To start off this card, I used the cracked texture fade and I just ran that through my Platinum 6 machine with some craft cardstock. And then I'm going in direct inked pad to paper with some weathered wood distress ink. And then instead of splattering it with some white gouache, I just went in still with my fan brush and I just went in and lightly brushed it. I wanted to kind of give it a look of that the wood was originally painted white, but now it's just kind of fading. And then using the crocheted Thinlits die set, also from Tim Holtz, I just cut out one of the smaller doily pieces, one of the smaller edge pieces, and I'm just going in with some old paper distress ink and inking the entire thing up. And then I chose this piece of paper out of the 2023 Halloween paper pack. And I'm just tearing that along one side. And then I'm going to go in with some old paper distress ink and just ink along the side that I just tore. That just makes the white core of the paper not so stark, and then it matches in with that kind of weathered old paper look that's already on the paper. Then I'm just going in and reinforcing the score line on my craft card base. Then I'm going to adhere the embossed panel directly to the card base using my liquid glue. And then I'm just adding glue along the one side of the doily piece, and I'm just adding that behind the torn edge of the pattern paper. Then I'll trim off the excess. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere that to the top of the embossed piece again with my liquid glue. And then I picked out this flower die cut from the Halloween layers for 2023. And I'm just adhering that down with the liquid glue. This photo also came from that same pack. And then I had this paper flower in my stash and I'm just adhering that down on the bottom there, again with my liquid glue. And then I decided I wanted to add some sort of sentiment, so I just picked out a sticker from the sticker book, the 2023 sticker book. And I'm just adhering that in along the bottom. And here's the finished card. Quick and simple one today. Very minimal die cutting and inking. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like button. As always, take some time to pamper your inner goddess, and I'll see you in the next one.